Hey y'all, it's Virginia Digger. Doing something a little different. I'm working on my Harley Davidson. I'm going to install some LED lights I purchased. As anybody knows, has been to a bike show or rally or bike week or anything like that. They can be very costly, anywhere from probably $200 to $400 on up. Couldn't really afford that, so I figured I'd take an attempt myself, and I bought some through Amazon, and so far so good. They're working great. I posted some pictures of it and videos on Facebook, and everybody's really liked it and has been asking me, so I figured I'd make a quick video and show y'all just real quick how I do it. I've gotten better as I've gone along, so mine's like one of the first ones, so it's not as neat and tidy, but if you listen to me, it'll be a lot tidier and look a lot better. Anyway, take a look what we got. Alright, I bought the kit, and it is, this is the old one that I had right here, this black. The newer one, as you can see in there, is all white. But basically what you do is it'll come with one of these transformers, and this is taking it from 120 volts down to 12, which obviously you already have the 12 volts in your battery. So I just clip this, and you can use that for something later maybe, or whatever, whatever. Alright, and what it is, I went for a trial run. This is where the 12 volt piece plugs in. You're going to have this, it's going to be in it, and it has an antenna right here too. That's what this box and this cable runs into from that small transformer, and that's what your lights plug into. So basically, you're going to the other end that you cut off, the other end of this cable, very easy, red to positive, black to negative. But what I started doing before I plugged that in or powered it up, I went ahead and started and came down here and I ran my wires. Well, there you can see that's the antenna right there, and that's your remote. That's what it reads from. But I came down and ran it up and around the other side, came around the front here. Sorry, it's very difficult to really see it all, because there's a trough up in here. What you do is when you put them in, go ahead, this is a 2016 Ultra Limited, and just pull these bolts out, and you can lift the tank up probably about 3 inches or so. Go ahead and lift it up, which I didn't do until the end, so trying to save y'all a little bit of problems. But what you'll do is you'll peel off the tape a little bit at a time as you're putting it up, and tucking it up in there really tight. But I use your kit will come with some clips, but these are the I'm not sure what they are. It's like the 3M strips. Something you should do, I didn't, but I figured it out afterwards, is before you stick this onto the tank or up inside, go ahead and put this clip onto the wire. Now what I did was I put, obviously put the sticky strip here, but once I put it on, I took my pocket knife and I cut it in half. And then I took a dab of the Gorilla Glue here and put just a drop on the back half of it, and then I put it up there and I held it so the sticky part would hold it in place, and the Gorilla Glue would hold it permanent, so we don't have to worry about it falling down from vibration or anything like that. It doesn't hurt. I held mine up there for probably about 15 or 20 seconds just to make sure it's set. You can use, you're probably going to need a little bit of reach or whatever, a pair of needle nose, hemostat, or roach clip, or whatever. For the young folks, that's what we used to catch bugs with a long time ago. But just hold it up there in place for about 10-15 seconds, and it'll stick. But you just start and you go all the way around. When you start, you come all the way. When you get here and you think you got all the light rope, or the light that you're going to need, I cut about 3 extra feet. So anyway, once I tucked it around, and what you'll do is once you get everything up, glued in, like I say, this is the old set here, but you'll see a spot there. Just take a regular pair of scissors and cut that thing right up the middle right there. And I took a little Gorilla Glue and put on the end of it in black electrical tape, and just kind of seal it off from the weather. We don't want it getting wet or anything like that. So let me see, here's the remote that they give you. I'm trying to bear with me for a moment. Okay. It's there's also apps on your phone apparently that you can wire in and you can make it dance with the music and everything. But they have different ones. Let me see. Like this is the power on. I don't know if you'll be able to see it as a daylight. Yeah, you can see it there. They have different ones. It'll be like you can do jump, fade. You know, you got a couple different fade features. And you click that. As you can tell, it'll change colors. I'll go through the whole thing: the greens, whites, blues, red, orange. It's really, really nice at night. I really like the whole engine up. Then they have the DIYs. You can push the DIY button and say like that sunset kind of orange. Push that button and press the DIY again. And then just whenever you push the DIY 3 or whatever number that is, then that's the number, and it'll stay there. And you know, so you make it jump. You know, it goes through the colors really fast. But this is on Amazon. I got it for I believe it's right at $13.99. I think is what I paid for it. There's a 13 point something feet of LED strip lighting. Comes in and that's it. I mean, it beats the hell out of $200 to $400 or whatever. But you know, once you have everything in, hook up your positive and your negative, and you got your remote there. You have to pull the tab where the battery is. You have to pull the little tab out of it right here, and you'll be good to go. So that's everything in a nutshell. If you want, you can try to you know, send me an email or whatever, and or let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to help. But pretty much I've told you about as much as I know. But I know it is absolutely beautiful at night when you have it going. It really makes you scared to look good. But that's about it. Y'all have any questions, let me know. Thank you and good luck. Hope it turns out. Bye.